In this video, I'll show you how to let others upload files directly to your Dropbox. Perfect for collecting documents, photos, or project files. First, log into your Dropbox account and on the left side, click File Requests. Then select New Request. Give your request a title and if needed, add a description with instructions. Next, choose the folder where you want the uploaded files to be saved, then click Create. Dropbox will generate a unique upload link. You can either copy the link to share via email or chat, or send it directly from Dropbox to specific email addresses. That's it. Anyone with the link can upload files straight into your Dropbox without needing an account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.